Oh my god. There's a cop right there. What are you doing? This is a massive crossfire issue. What's up guys, Squink here. I used to be a cop. I'm not anymore. I do these videos every single day where I walk into a brand new body cam footage video and using my law enforcement background, I try to give you the best glimpse into how the cops are thinking, because there's always one question that people want to know. And that question is, what the hell are the cops doing? So hopefully I am able to answer that question and whatever else pops up today with the video. Police activity is who it comes from. Florida woman shot by deputies after waving gun and ramming several vehicles. Again, I've never seen this. Genuine reaction. Here we go. Just hauls ass past him. I love how she stops in the middle of the intersection for the red light. It's my favorite. This is off to a great start.
703, 1050.
703,
113th and Park, Florida 28, Indigo, Delta 6, 8, Echo, Gulf, on a red Toyota.
129.
So a lot of the times people aren't going to know what you want them to do. Especially that she's so confused she's in the middle of the intersection. She probably doesn't know what your siren blip means.
Yes? I need you to pull over into that parking lot over there. You're in the middle of the road right now.
I'm so sorry, but I'm running my heart.
Okay, can you pull into that parking lot over there?
Which one?
That bank right there. Because you're in the middle of the...
It's best to have them move out of the way and not in the middle of the intersection so that people aren't inconvenienced by your traffic stop. Always keep the general public in mind when making a traffic stop. Move it to a safe location. The middle of the road is not a safe location.
The road right now.
Well, I wait.
You're in the middle of the road. Go to that parking lot over there. Do you understand?
What's the way police officer? Don't talk to this way. I'm a CIA cop.
Okay, can you pull over to that or no?
No, I'm not going to pull over.
Okay, well you need to turn your vehicle off for me.
No, I'm gonna go.
703. Can I have a Route 294?
There goes the window. Bye.
CIA.
She's CIA, I think she said. Which, I mean, if she's CIA, then she is this cop's boss. This cop needs to realize that. No hustle back to her car. Is her tire flat?
Front driver's side tire is completely flat. It's about to flail off in here a couple seconds.
Well, that'll be a short-lived pursuit.
177th Avenue West. 177th Avenue West, Gulf Blvd.
She's not going to understand any of this.
Somebody want to get on the PA? Short 15. Looks like one occupant. Front driver.
What we got? He's coming on PA.
Driver, turn the vehicle off.
Yeah, boys, she's...
Put your hands up and put your hands outside of the vehicle.
She's not going to listen to you.
Oh, there's a gun. She's pointing it out.
Squad car.
Yep.
This is pretty standard practice when doing a felony stop. They're in position as I would have been behind the door.
Marina, Rosen Battalion, drop the gun.
Which direction you will from south?
From the north to the south. They can pop out over here. Yeah, sorry.
All right. I believe she put the gun down. I don't see it in her right hand that last time, but let me confirm if I see that right hand again.
Oh, she's going again. She's moving. She's moving.
She's not going to go very far on that tire.
She's gonna.
Hey guys.
Oh, hey, get back.
Making a U-turn, guys.
Hey, buddy, get out of that B pillar.
Pick your shield up, bro.
If she takes off, we're gonna let her leave.
Yep.
Hey, somebody get on two and get the eagle up.
They're not gonna get up on this. Not in this weather.
They need to have another officer go up here and block traffic.
Somebody got stop sticks to put up down
Actually,
here
that might be exactly what's down there. Is
We have any
another
more stop
officer.
sticks to throw out there?
Hey, everybody on this side.
Yep.
Behind covers, just go
Yep.
down. Cover!
Damn, they brought out the big guns. So that thing is called a Bearcat. It's what wealthy SWAT departments use to breach heavily armored vehicle.
Armored vehicle, do so.
Our SWAT team had an old ambulance as the SWAT vehicle, and it would overheat, and it wouldn't go over 70 miles an hour.
Alright, attempted pit. Still northbound through Whitehurst. It's moving back up. Good pit, good pit.
TVI, Tactical Vehicle Intervention.
Back off a little bit with the MRAP in position.
God, look at that tire. She's trying to go.
MRAP should pinch from the front and another Tahoe from behind.
Did she point the gun?
Stop!
'Oh my God. There's a cop right there. What are you doing? This is a massive crossfire issue.
Firearm, right hand! Firearm, right hand!
EMS to the rocks town line.
What a mess.
Whitehurst, Gulf.
Oh my.
Front and another Tahoe from behind.
Wow. Okay, something that I want to point out. When a vehicle's coming at you, it is, depending on the speeds, deadly force. I would not have shot her. I wouldn't have shot her unless she was pointing the weapon at me. You can't see her pointing the weapon. I don't necessarily think she was. I could be totally wrong. It's hard to see from the dash cam. It's hard to see from the body cam. I think I would have instinctively gotten behind cover before I shot at her. But being in the situation, that could be totally. I could be saying that, but I could have totally done something different. But just watching this at face value, which is all I can do, I wouldn't have shot her unless she pointed the weapon at me. But again, I think I would have gotten behind cover instinctively before I instinctively shot at her. So I don't know. This is a weird one. The speeds weren't high enough. The speeds weren't high enough at the point when she started coming at them. Like right here. These speeds.
MRAP should pinch from the front and another Tahoe from behind.
It's so hard to see from that angle.
Stop! Stop!
Like at this point, I would have gotten in my vehicle. Definitely wouldn't have my leg outside the vehicle, assuming he's got his leg outside the vehicle for stability. I wouldn't have waited as long as he did to get in the vehicle. Because, like I said, these speeds, I don't think you could argue is enough for deadly force. Sure, it's going to hurt if you get hit, but it's not going to kill you. For sure, it's not going to kill you. Wow. I think there's some severe mental health issues going on. I think there's a language barrier. It sounded like she might be Russian. I mean, that doesn't matter, but it sounded like she had a Russian accent. I give the cops a C. Honestly, even the crossfire issue, I was not impressed with. I understand it's a high-risk situation. Your adrenaline's pumping. There's a lot going on, a lot of vehicles, a lot of different cops. The SWAT team is there. But they're all just in different spots. And at one point, the female officer is like totally pointing her weapon towards other officers, and she's not even at an angle where she could get a good shot off if she had to. I'm not too impressed with this. I'm really not. Again, I'm going into this blindly. I didn't read the description. I have no clue what it says. I do write a description for every single video, so if you want to read the details down below, you can. But I give the cops a C. It didn't look very good. The optics were not great. That's about it. I do these videos every single day. If you like this one, like, subscribe, comment, and share, and I will see you tomorrow for Friday's video. Bye.